Everybody's always asking how to manifest what you want. How do you manifest what you want? Well, it all starts with the images and suggestions that you're giving to your subconscious mind. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what to say to manifest what you want. There is a certain thing to say that when you start to say it, will allow your subconscious mind to start manifesting and attracting miraculous things into your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Today's a great day to be alive on a little rock spinning through endless space. Make sure you hit the like button right over there. Say this one little thing to manifest what you want. Let's dive right into the video. So a lot of times we just get so beat down by life that we start to become rather cynical. And people will comment, they say things like, yeah, I just don't believe it. And all I'm asking you to do on this channel is to try these things out. I'm not even asking you to believe it long term. I'm just saying try it. Just like you go into the movie theater and you know Brad Pitt is the real person and it's not the actor character he's playing like in one of those war movies where he plays some character. You know it's Brad Pitt, but you don't sit down at the theater and say, total BS, I don't believe any of this, none of this is possible, that's Brad Pitt, everybody, let's stage a walkout, let's get out of this theater immediately, total lie, untrue, impossible, come on! You just suspend your disbelief. And that's what allows you to enter this other world at the movie theater. All I'm asking you to do is suspend your disbelief about everything that you thought you were and everything you thought was possible. If you can suspend your disbelief, you can invite miracles into your life. And you become an open cup by which the universe can start multiplying great things into your life quickly. So what I want you to do is say this: everything unfolds perfectly for me. I attract daily miracles and unexpected good fortune. Everything unfolds perfectly for me. Say it. Everything unfolds perfectly for me. I attract daily miracles and unexpected good fortune. What happens if your subconscious mind believed that instead of, yeah, it's not possible and I'm too old and I'm too young and you don't understand and it's not that easy and life's hard and I have this problem and I don't have enough time? What if instead you told your subconscious mind something else? See, here's the thing, the subconscious mind is responsible for 95% of our life. And you see channels as, you know, more and more law of attraction type of channels become more popular. You see a lot of like basically the hater channels that just basically try to rip it apart and they try to get views, you know, basically by talking bad about it. And what they'll say is, yeah, it's so airy-fairy and you can't just manifest it. And it's funny because you're advertising your ignorance if you say that. You don't understand basic human psychology. The reality is 95% of your life is subconscious. Every thought, every belief, and every action you take is subconscious, predominantly, 95% of it. So people say, yeah, it's all about hard work, but it's not. Why, if it was all about hard work, why is it so many people work hard and they don't get what they want? Because it's not about hard work. It's about how your subconscious is set up. And then that plays itself out on autopilot. And that controls every area of our life. It controls how we react to money. It controls how we react when we see an attractive person. It controls how we react when we're in romance and relationships, what we attract into our life financially, the way that we think, how we view ourselves, if we're capable of receiving love, if we're capable of receiving money, or we feel really awkward and we feel guilty and bad. The subconscious controls everything. But if you can change what you're telling your subconscious mind, you will change your entire life. So what I want you to do is comment down below, everything unfolds perfectly for me. Say it, everything unfolds perfectly for me. What if you started to see this world as a place that's happening for you? What if you started to see this world as a place that was happening for you, that the universe was on your side, that you were a worthy being, that your past was already forgiven, that you actually lived in a good world? A lot of people just forget that we live in a friendly universe. Albert Einstein said that the most important choice that you make in life is to decide whether you live in a friendly or hostile universe. Unconsciously and habitually, most people day after day choose to live in a hostile universe, and they don't even know they're doing it. And so you have a part of your brain called your reticular activating system, and there's billions of bits of information happening every second. In other words, there's billions and zillions of things happening all day. And if our attention went to every single one of them, we would never get anything done and we would probably go insane. So your reticular activating system focuses on the most important things, and it focuses where you habitually start to bring your attention to. Now, most people use a reticular activating system to constantly see hostilities because they've trained themselves that way. Instead of training themselves to see that everything works out perfectly for their good, they do the exact opposite. It's like they actually think that like they're condemned by the universe and the universe is intentionally trying to beat them up. And it continues to play itself out over and over and over again. So what I want you to do is say this statement, and I want you to write it down on a piece of paper, and not just the words, but feel the energy and the emotion behind them. Like, what would it feel like if you were excited because you knew that the universe was on your side? Take a deep breath in and out, go. And take one more deep breath in and out. Maybe put a smile on your face when you do it. Take a deep breath in and out, and just feel the depth of your breath. Feel how good it feels when you breathe deeply in and out. Go like this. And then ask yourself, what would it feel like if you believed that you attract daily miracles? What would it feel like if you got unexpected, really good news? You know that one thing that you really want to have happen? What would it feel like if unexpectedly something like that happened right now? It just happened 5 minutes ago and you're really excited now. It just happened 5 minutes ago. Like maybe your hands would be kind of shaking because you'd be excited. Maybe you'd have a smile on your face. Maybe your legs would kind of shake for a minute because you'd be so excited. How would you feel if everything worked out perfectly for you? How would you feel if you knew you were a divine being and that the universe was going to bless your life if you took massive action, if you faced your fears, if you stepped forth even in the face of any uncertainty? How exciting would it be to know that you could constantly attract unexpected great fortune? So comment down below, everything unfolds perfectly for me. I attract daily miracles and unexpected good fortune. Say that again and comment it down below and feel how good it feels to know that I attract daily miracles and unexpected good fortune. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, reminding you that you live in a friendly universe and that everything is working out perfectly for you, that you attract daily miracles and unexpected good fortune. Wayne Dyer has a quote that I love, and he said, "I'm realistic. I expect miracles." And I thought that was really interesting because his life was obviously, he had a really good life, extremely successful and great family and all the things that you want out of life. That's what he had. And he said he made a decision early on to look at the world as a friendly universe because he came across Albert Einstein's quote on that topic. Do you live in a friendly or hostile universe? And he decided that he lived in a friendly universe, and he decided that miracles were normal, that he expected to see miracles. So say to yourself, I'm realistic. I expect miracles. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. Make sure you hit the like button right over there on the side. The like button's what sends us out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. And then right there down below, you will see my free success hypnosis pinned to the comments. It's jakeshypnosis.com. I created a free success hypnosis for myself originally to start retraining my subconscious mind. The reason I did that is because I realized I had a bunch of limiting subconscious belief systems. When I started to learn about the subconscious mind, I realized if I could take time to deliberately retrain my subconscious mind and insert new stories, new beliefs, and new ideas into it about my success, about my prosperity, about having the best life ever, about all these great things, if I could train my subconscious mind for that, if I could essentially re-brainwash my subconscious, then my life would end up being amazing because my outer world would be a reflection of my subconscious. So that's what I set out to do, and I created this for myself. It changed my life. Now over 700,000 people from all over the world have used it, which is really crazy in and of itself. But remember, you're realistic, you expect miracles. I'm realistic, I expect miracles. So some fantastic things can head in your way. So right there down below is jakeshypnosis.com. It's free, pinned to the comments. You can go ahead and you can use that for a few minutes every day to get your subconscious starting to retrain to become a magnet for success and opportunity. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? Hey, say it one more time. I'm realistic, I expect miracles. Everything works out perfectly for me today. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel how good it feels when you take a nice, deep, rhythmic breath. Let's do it one more time. Maybe put a smile on your face while you do it. Throughout the day, remember to slow down, take a nice deep breath like that, and remind yourself, everything works out perfectly for me today. I attract daily miracles and unexpected good fortune. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, today's a great day to be alive.